everyone, welcome back to my channel again. This is Namrata here, and today I came up with something which was in my to-do list ever since I saw a picture of Deepika Padukone on Instagram, and from that moment I knew I'm gonna recreate this look, and right now I'm really excited. So this one has pure Bengali touch, very elegant, but it was super easy to recreate. So without doing any further ado, let's start. As always, you need a base underneath your makeup, right? And that could be your favorite moisturizer or aloe vera gel too. But here I'm using a proper primer, MAC Prep+Prime Natural Radiance. It makes my skin feel supple and moisturized. But before I get into the makeup, I applied good coat of lip balm to keep my lips moisturized. And next, I went with my new favorite foundation, MAC Studio Fix Fluid. I'm in shade NC40. And it gives medium coverage, but you can build on it wherever you need more attention. And that's what you will see me doing after applying the foundation once. I will reapply the foundation to hide my acne scars, and for better coverage you can use foundation brush instead of a beauty blender. Wet blender always gives natural looking finish. Now here comes the concealer, and I would be applying it to make sure there is no scar or imperfection left in my skin, as Deepika has flaunted her flawless skin, so I really need to get in there. And here I'm using Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer. I'm in shade C11, and it also helps to brighten up your skin to some extent. And now I need to fill my eyebrows. Naturally I have sparse eyebrows, which is not gonna work here. Deepika has very bold eyebrows in this look, and as I always said, well-shaped eyebrows always plays huge role to make your features more sharp. It's actually everything. Here I'm using Maybelline Brow Define and Fill Duo in shade Deep Brown. It's a great pocket-friendly product for those who has thin eyebrows like me, but the only thing I don't like about it that it doesn't come with any spoolie brush, which is very much needed to get a natural fuller look. So I used a separate spoolie brush at the end. And to set everything on place, I applied a thin coat of compact powder. This is the MAC Studio Fix Foundation Plus Compact Powder in shade NC40. Applied it on my face as well as on my neck area. Yes, you should not forget your neck ever. And then brush up all the excess powder with a buffing brush. But certain areas of your face need more powder coating. Yes, I'm talking about baking. I used Maybelline loose powder to those areas. I applied concealer before. It prevents your foundation from getting oxidized, and you will have oil-free face for longer period. Now I will let it stay until my eye makeup get done. For this warm eye look, I used a single palette, that is the Colourpop Yes Please palette. At first I picked a matte orange shade called Big Cocktails with the help of a fluffy crease brush, and applied it on the upper crease area, and kept repeating unless it get the satisfying warmness on my crease. Up next I took a burnt orange shade called GNO and put it right on my crease with the same brush and blend it properly. I love how easily these Colourpop shades get blends. And next used a metallic shade called Louis. It's a duochrome red with a gold flip in it, and applied it with my fingertips for better pigments. These metallics do have creamy feel, zero fallout, which is very impressive. And then took a clean fluffy brush and lightly took two shades at the same time, and again blended the crease area. That's always very important to blend the new shade with the previous one. And now I need to get small wing lines as Deepika has in this look. I'm using a basic Kohl pencil from Wet n Wild to line my eyes. You can use any liner of your choice. Particularly this one has creamy texture, so to get the flick small and precise, I used a flat thin liner brush to drag the kajal little outwards to get the small wing, and then brushed off all the loose powder with a buffing brush. and today I will curl my lashes twice, and here I'm using ELF eyelash curler, super cheap drugstore eyelash curler in case you are curious. And next I will do my lower lash line. Basically I'm gonna mimicking the shades I applied on my upper crease. And now it's time for mascara, another important part of your eye makeup. And today I'm using L'Oreal Superstar Mascara, my all-time favorite, to get thick voluminous lashes. This one comes with a white eyelash primer, and that really helps to hold the mascara well. And it's waterproof, long-lasting, all you want your mascara to be. This is perfect. Next, I will move forward with the rest of the face makeup. Today, I'm gonna skip contouring. Instead, I'll be using MAC Mineralize Baked Bronzer to get warm yet glowy finish, a supple definition to my face, applying it under my cheekbone as well as sides of my forehead. For blush, I used a Makeup Revolution blush palette, picked a warm pink shade as Deepika had flushed cheeks in that look, and applying it with a fluffy blush brush by Real Technique. Now it's another favorite product, Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in shade Molten Rose Gold, and this product is an absolute bomb.com. Trust me girls, best Maybelline highlighter available so far, and it gives blinding highlight effect, looks even greater than few high-end highlighter, and applying it on all the high points as always, and I hope you can see the glow. And now here is the last but not the least, lip color. I'm not yet done with my lipstick girl, then how could I even say last but not the least? Anyway, here it is. I'm wearing MAC lipstick in shade Bricola. It's a warm plum shade with creamy texture and full pigment. Although I was not so sure about the lip shade Deepika was wearing in that pic because of the warm tone edit. You can also opt for any brown undertone nude shade that would also fit in here, and then wore the sari and added all the accessories in off camera. Hope you like the end look. Let me know your thoughts in the comment below, and please subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and don't forget to like this video. I will see you in my next. Till then, bye bye, take care.